the strap hinge going into this piece of lumber, which is nice and secure. But the bottom one, I didn't grab anything. I just noticed it when I opened up the wall. So how am I gonna secure that to make it stronger? So I made up my own washer out of a 2x4. Made the hole and just twist it on until I get it all the way to the end, and that'll be my nut. And then of course I'll put some more backing to support it like I did the top. That's my way of fixing the mistake I made. So here it is, all screwed in. This thing is so tight. This is like a nut, because this is not a machine screw, it's a lag screw. And there's no way I can take this out because it's already installed. So I just threaded it on, and that thing is solid. It's holding the lag bolt from pulling out like a nut. And of course I'm going to put some backing between that stud and that stud so it strengthens it even more. And that should be enough to hold this barn door. Thanks for watching.